Oh, Minnie, are you angry? Probably angry because I accidentally kicked the table while I was eating.
Maybe.
Oh, do send to cricket. Do send to them.
Maybe she wanted some of your pizza.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Hello, Minnie. Hello. Oh no, my little baby girl. Oh yeah. She doesn't know what's going on. Oh yes, Minnie, are you ready to eat a cricket? Wow, I don't so much.
Okay, they're in there.
Just a
Are you done with your
blood.
pizza?
Yeah. I'm gonna take it this time again. Hello, Minnie. Hello, do you want to see the camera? Do you want to see the camera? Are you angry? I'm sorry. I didn't know. I accidentally just did this without me noticing. I didn't notice. But then, once I did it, I did. Didn't I? You see, you have to understand. That's the truth. You're thinking now, huh? Sometimes I accidentally kick things, and sometimes we make mistakes, Millie. That's true. So, never focus on a cricket. Oh, yeah. Where's that cricket? That cricket. Where do you see cricket? Seems like she's a cricket. Right there. So, looks like they're looking that way. Where is that cricket? I know. Actually. So I have no idea. Where's that cricket? Yo, that's cricket. She definitely does see it. Wow, nice. I don't know how old you are, Millie. You last 2 years and you've less than about 7 months, like 13 days, you know. Maybe 7 months or something. So it already is 7 months. Less than 6 months, so you might have grown to your full size. Unless there needs to be one more molt. It looks like you might have. Look how big she is to my hand. She is compared to at least. Come with the cricket. Come on. Just try. Let's actually go. Cricket. Did she used to get it? Yes. I think she. I think she. Yo, she did just get one. Oh, yeah. I think. Let me see. See. Yo, she did just get one. Let's see her eating. Wow, nice. She actually got. Just look at her eat. Look at her eating. Can't really see her very, but just look at her eating. There's a closer one. I can't seem to get a good view, but it looks like she's eating that one. She's scared of Millie. She's actually eating it. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, nice. Hello, Millie. Aren't you just nothing? I'm sorry. I did that. See? Let's see. Get a close view. There we see her. So look at her eating it. It looks so cool. Oh my god. Just see her eating it. Wow, it's just like she's eating it. Awesome. She's just chewing some stuff. They're chewing. They're chewing stuff. I don't know. Wow, I can actually see her jaws right there. Nice. Wow, it looks like cricket. Its head is coming out. It's actually biting its head for meat. You're like a zombie, a green zombie, Minnie, and you eat them for food. I guess I think this is our brown too. So I guess the zombies can be brown too. I'm pretty sure I already knew that. but you're also green like a zombie. So green one. Yeah. I've heard that zombie mushroom, this zombie mushroom, that grows some, or basically flies, eat it, and then they zombies, but it's too small for us to see. But basically, we can't transform into zombies, but we can, and at least resist them because we're humans, and only animals can turn zombies because we cannot, because we're created in the image of God, and we're supposed to stay in our image. So because we crack our body so hard that we can see our bones, we basically die most of the time. My neighbor next door, he used to live next door. He basically like he his wife told him he was an old guy, a pretty nice guy too. Seemed like a nice guy. He handed us a box of footballs and other stuff. Looks like she's almost done eating. Looks like she's done eating. Pretty nice. Looks like she's done almost. She's eating that like a noodle. I think she's just eating that antenna like a noodle. Yeah, she's eating that antenna like a noodle. Basically, my neighbor has, I don't remember, or it wasn't Ross, but basically, I've forgotten his name, but he lived there ever since he got here, and he also, he also got a, he also, one time, his wife came home, and and she found out that his husband was falling down the stairs, and basically could actually see his skull, she told us, but we never got to see it. And I was the first to see that night into that. I was the first to actually see that night that Ross was, that there was an ambulance down there, and Dad, like, looking out the window of their room, and out the door on the deck. She basically got some. Next day we asked about it, and Ross is dying. Well, she's catching that one. Oh, she's praying. Nice. Looks like she's trying to catch that one. I'm not sure we saw that. And basically, nice. But basically, Ross actually, a couple days later, Ross found out the Ross just won, and basically went inside a car, and they put him to sleep, and they basically said him out in the ocean. Basically, he died with he basically set him on fire on the ocean, then basically he died, and I guess that's what's happened. It was a sad moment for me, because I saw Ross was a pretty nice guy. It was so many years ago. Was it before I had my YouTube channel? When 3 years ago, maybe 4 years ago now. 4 years ago, see. But my channel, Old Pixel 3D, updates 5 years ago. That's longer than Pixel Echo. His first Pixel 3D video. Basically, his was 4 years ago. Since last year, and mine was 5 years ago since I've also played, or like 2 or 3 years, I don't remember which number it was 2 or 3 years before that. Oh, Millie, I see you now, Millie, I see you, I see you now, Millie, I see you, Millie. So get her closer, yeah, so get her entire body. Yes, I see you, Millie. Yes, look at the camera, okay? What you might be wondering. Oh, probably moving my finger in this. Milli. I love you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all later. Bye.